There's a certain tool I've been quietly testing behind the scenes, one that uses a time-tested mathematical technique to reveal not just where the price is, but where it's likely to go next. It just draws its lines, plots its signals, and waits. I've been using it to spot hidden trend strength, overbought and oversold zones, and some seriously clean entry points. And in this video, I'm finally showing you guys how it works. Let's get into it. First off, to use this indicator, you'll need to open TradingView. That's the platform I'm using right now. Once that's done, open up the trading chart of your preference. Then click the Indicators button at the top. In the search bar, type in Linear Regression Channel and look for the one published by ChartPrime. This is going to be it. Click on it and add it to your trading chart. So now that it's on, what you're seeing is the Linear Regression Channel indicator. It is plotting regression-based channels and bands that give you insight into trend direction, overbought and oversold zones, and where price may reverse. The main channel shows you the trend direction visually, red on the bottom, blue on the top, making it super intuitive to quickly assess if we're leaning bullish or bearish. Around this core channel, you've got the linear regression bands, and they basically act like dynamic boundaries. If price is pushing up toward the upper band, that's considered overbought. If it's dropping down near the lower band, that's oversold. And it's not just about those areas. When price actually breaks outside these bands, that's a big signal. It means the market is pushing hard in one direction, maybe even to an unsustainable level. That's when the indicator drops what are called reversal diamonds. For example, if the price breaks below the lower band and a blue diamond shows up, that's a visual cue for a potential reversal upward. Same thing in reverse. If price breaks above the upper band and a red diamond appears, it's signaling a reversal down could be coming. There's also color-coded price bars, which I think are super helpful. These act like a heat map, giving you a quick glance at whether the momentum is bullish, bearish, or just neutral, based on where the price is in relation to the regression structure. And on top of that, there are optional directional arrows that appear when you enable the future projection feature. These arrows give you an idea of where price could be headed next, based on linear regression projections. Now let me quickly show you the settings of this indicator, because customizing it the right way can really shape how it performs on your chart.
Do you feel like everyone around you benefits from artificial intelligence, but you have no idea where to start? Don't wait any longer. Start today. Our free trading bot is simple to use, powered by artificial intelligence, and can earn you up to 1% profit every single day. Over 500 members have already joined. Click the link below now to get free access. This is your chance to harness the power of AI and take a step toward a financial boost.
First, click on that little gear icon to open up the settings panel. Under the Inputs tab, you'll see a section for linear regression bands. This is turned on by default and is what draws those upper and lower outer bands we talked about earlier. The length is set to 150 by default, which means the indicator calculates the regression line based on the last 150 candles. You can tweak this depending on how far back you want the tool to calculate. Longer values make the bands smoother, while shorter values react more quickly to recent price changes. Then there's deviation linear regression bands, which is set to 3 by default. This controls how far the outer bands are placed from the central regression line. Increasing this captures more extreme price movement, while reducing it brings the bands tighter. Below that, you've got the linear regression channel option. This one is usually turned off by default, but if you enable it, it draws the central channel that shows the main trend path. It has its own channel length and deviation, also set to 150 and 1 respectively. You can adjust those depending on how wide or narrow you want that central trend channel. Then we have a section called Future Projection Channel, and by default, both the projection line and the arrow direction are turned off. But once you enable them, the indicator will start projecting the direction of the trend with a forecasted regression path, and will also place arrows indicating expected price movement. These features have their own customizable length and deviation settings as well. Finally, there's the checkbox to show the inputs on the status line, which just displays all your selected inputs down on the chart. If you're into keeping your workspace clean, you might want to turn that off. Jumping over to the Style tab, this is where you can toggle things like the color-coded bars, the heat map fill, the reversal diamonds, the projection lines, and more. Everything that makes the visual aspect of this tool so powerful. Once you've made the changes that suit your style, just click OK, and you're good to go. Now let's look at some real examples, so I can walk you through how I'd take trades using this indicator. Let's start with a buy trade example. Look at this point on the chart. The price is trending slightly upward overall, and we get a clean pullback into the lower band. This is a key moment. We're watching to see if the price shows any signs of reversal. And there it is, a blue reversal diamond prints, just after the price touches and slightly dips below the lower regression band. So we have got our confirmations. The price is at oversold territory, and we also got a reversal diamond. So here, we can open a buy position on the next candle after the blue diamond appears. Stop loss goes just a bit below the recent swing low. For take profit, you can aim toward the midline of the channel, with a second partial target near the upper band if momentum stays strong. Or you can go for a fixed risk-to-reward ratio if you like. And here's a quick tip. Whenever you see reversal diamonds appear at the extreme edges like this, zoom out and double-check the slope of your regression channel. If it's still angled upward, that adds strength to the reversal setup. Now here's a second buy trade setup. Here we can see the price touches the lower band again, and again we got this blue diamonds. This is showing strong potential for mean reversion. If the candles change their color to blue after some time, that makes the signal even more stronger, so we can open a buy position over here again. The stop loss can be set below the recent swing low. Take profit can be set according to your preference. I have shared 2 different ways in which you can do that. But in this sideways case, I'm a bit more conservative with my target because the price might stall midway. If you see multiple diamonds stack up within a few candles, it's often a stronger reversal zone, especially if volume spikes at the same time. Now let's take a look at some sell trade examples. Here's an example. Price has been climbing and then pushes up above the upper band. And then we see a red reversal diamond appear. If the candles also start fading from blue to neutral, that's a strong confirmation also that the momentum is dying out, so we can open a sell position here. After the red diamond appears, the stop loss will go just above the recent swing high. The take profit target can be set to the middle of the regression channel, or you can set a risk to reward ration of 2-to-1. Tip here, always combine the diamond with the band location and candle shift, or any other price action confirmation. Don't jump in just because of the diamond. Let all the conditions stack up together. So, as you've seen, the linear regression channel by ChartPrime isn't just a visual tool, it's something that can give you really high-quality trade setups if you use it properly. The bands give you your reversal zones, the diamonds give you your signals, the color-coded candles give you confirmation, and the future projection lines can help guide where to expect price to go next. But like always, this is just one tool. Never rely on a single indicator. Use it with your own analysis, support and resistance, price action, whatever fits your strategy. If you learned something or just found the video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like these. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.